Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Manor, Saskatchewan, a small community located in the southeast part of the province. Manor was first settled in the early 1900s as the railway brought new growth to the prairies. Like many towns in the area, it quickly became an important service point for local farmers. Agriculture has always been at the heart of life here, with fields of wheat and canola stretching as far as the eye can see. In more recent years, oil development in the surrounding area has also supported the local economy. Visitors often enjoy the small town charm and the beautiful prairie views that surround the area. Whether you are just passing through or taking time to explore, Manor is a place that will make you feel welcome. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Manor, Saskatchewan. Thanks for watching!